Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, would be discussing with you one of the important thing with respect to the job seekers and the scams that are happening in the IT industry. See, I have received this email from one of my subscriber, and he was approached by an agent who claims to have position available for a company at that is Amazon as a developer with a package of 5 LP. However, the agent requested him to pay a total payment of 2 lakh with an advance of 30,000 required upfront and the remainder to be paid upon receiving the offer letter. Okay. Now see this kind of emails you might be getting, or these kind of chats you might be getting on your WhatsApp number, on your Telegram number. This is bound to happen because there are many people out there who are trying to fool you, who are trying to run the scams, and they are trying to play with the emotions of the job seekers. Whenever you get such kind of an email, someone who is looking for a money, someone who is looking for some particular XYZ amount, then you have to understand it's a part of a scam. Why? Because first of all, let's break this down. It's an Amazon company. Amazon company would be paying a developer nearly the package would be exceeding 20 lakhs, 25 lakhs per annum, right? If it's an experience, it might exceed even 30 LP, 35 LP. Okay. So the very first thing is developer can never ever have a package of a 5 LP. Okay. If you are starting as a fresher, your package would be 3 LPA, 3.5 LPA, 4 LPA when you are as a fresher. But then you have to see those the companies are either TCS, Capgemini, Infosys, those kind of companies. Okay. And these companies have made a disclaimer by default on their website that you are not supposed to pay anything with respect to the recruitment, with respect to the interview process, with respect to the telephonic rounds as well. So if anyone is asking you for the money, then be cautious. That is first point. Okay. Second thing is requesting a total payment of 2 lakh with an advance of 30,000 required upfront. Okay. Now see, when your package is 5 LPA, how come that person is asking you for 2.5 LPA? It's 2 plus 30,000. So it's almost 2.5 LPA. So it's half of the amount. And in this particular times, when 2025, when things like digital arrest are happening, right? The software engineers, software testers should be cautious. They should not fall for these kind of traps. I can understand you might be very much desperate to get the jobs, but at the same time, you, whenever you feel that you are facing such kind of a situation, right? Drop us an email at rdautomationlearning@gmail.com. Okay. And it's my responsibility, it's our team's responsibility to respond to you back in 24 hours. Okay. So don't take such kind of decisions in a very fast manner, in a very, be patient when you are getting such kind of things. Let's say now, the subscriber, he told me about the situation and he drafted this email, right? I'm quite apprehensive about this situation and would greatly appreciate your advice on whether I should proceed with this offer or be cautious, right? So they asked us the insights and that's how we got saved, right? I'm happy to save someone from falling this kind of traps. There is no shortcut to the jobs. There is no shortcut to the job opportunities. If you have to get the job, you have to give the interviews. If you need the job, you have to prepare. There is no backdoors available. Okay. So people who think that by paying XYZ amount, they will get a job, it's not going to happen, right? Someone is going to play with your emotions. Someone is going to play with your hard-earned money. If you're a fresher, someone is going to play with your parents' money. So be cautious, right? These kind of things are happening in the market. So I have created this video just to educate you, just to um, give you a kind of an experience that is going on in the market, just to save you from falling into this particular trap. So you have to take care of this situation. And if you're looking for job opportunities, I would suggest you prepare and you give the mock interviews on our channel. I'll give you the plain feedback, no sugar coated. Whatever the feedback is there, it would be there with you, and you would come to know which are the areas that you have to improve. You will come to know which are the areas that you are already prepared. So you don't need to invest much time on that. Okay. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.